Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight camera mount tripod stand with bag. And let me tell you, it's one of the best camera tripods you can find in the market. Now, let's get right into it. The Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight camera mount tripod is the perfect companion for both beginners and amateur photographers. It's designed with portability and ease of use in mind, making it an ideal choice for those who are always on the move. Let's talk about some of its key features. First off, this tripod comes with a zippered storage bag, which is a game-changer for travelers. It helps protect your tripod during transport and keeps it safe from scratches and bumps. One of the standout features is its adjustable height with 3-section, lever lock legs. This makes it incredibly easy to set up and adjust to the perfect height for your shot. Whether you're shooting in portrait or landscape mode, this tripod has got you covered. The 3-way head allows for smooth tilt and swivel motion, giving you the flexibility to capture shots from various angles. Plus, it includes a quick release plate, ensuring fast transitions between shots. Now, let's talk specs. The Amazon Basics tripod has a maximum height of 127 centimeters, making it suitable for most shooting scenarios. However, it's worth noting that it's not recommended for heavy, high-end DSLR cameras. The maximum equipment weight should not exceed 4.4 pounds. If you plan to use this tripod internationally, be aware that it's designed for use in the US, so you might need an adapter or converter for international outlets and voltage. Portability is a big selling point for this tripod. When collapsed, it measures just 3.2 by 3.2 by 16.7 inches, making it easy to carry around. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness or strolling through the city, this tripod won't weigh you down. Now, let's take a look at what users are saying about this tripod. It boasts an impressive 4.5-star rating with over 99,000 reviews. Customers appreciate its value for money, especially for entry-level photographers and hobbyists. Many users highlight its ease of use, lightweight design, and the convenience of the included storage bag. It's perfect for those who want a reliable tripod without breaking the bank. You'll be pleased to know that this fantastic tripod comes at an affordable price point, making it accessible to a wide range of photographers. At the time of this video, it's available for just $20.70 on Amazon. So, there you have it, folks. The Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight camera mount tripod stand with bag is a true gem in the world of camera tripods. It strikes a perfect balance between portability, versatility, and affordability. If you're a beginner, a traveler, or simply someone looking for a dependable tripod for everyday use, this one should definitely be on your radar. However, remember it's not intended for heavy DSLR setups. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!